Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on this page you should see the list of my devices, and on the list you should see the Zepp E watch. Tap on it. Here tap on watch faces option, and right here you should see the category called custom background. Tap on the more option to open the whole category. As you can see right here we have the style 1, style 2 and style 3. Basically the position of the clock on the watch face. Select the style you like, for example the one at the bottom. And once you select the style, you will see this page, and here we can change the style if you want to by tapping on one. You can tap on change the background of the watch face, this plus button, to basically change the background or set it to your liking. And we have two options, take photo and photos. If you select take photo option, it will open the camera app. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face. And if you select photos option, it will open the file manager or photo browser, and you can select the picture from your phone. I'm gonna use the photos option, allow the permission, like this. As you can see, it opened the photos app, and here I can browse through the photos and find the one I want to use as a watch face. I don't know, maybe let's say this one. So select the picture. Now we can crop the image. So basically, if the picture is too big to fit on the watch face, we can zoom in, zoom out. We can also move around the picture. And once you're done, position the picture the way you want it to look out on the watch face. So basically, whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area right here is gonna be on our watch face. So I'm gonna set it to something like this. Come on. Like that. And once you're done, tap on select. Right here we have a preview of our watch face. And then you can tap on the sync button to sync this watch face to your watch. So it's gonna start downloading and then synchronizing. So let's wait until it's done. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied on your watch, as you can see. And then you can close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.